Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm just going to give you a quick run through on how to make burnt ends. Brisket burnt ends are a true marvel. They're one of my favourite things and I love them. Beautiful brisket. This is a Hickson's. This is a USDA brisket and it's wonderful. So I've already carved and enjoyed the flat end, which has got less fat, but you've got the fattier point end, which is on here, and it's a bit gnarlier and a bit fattier, but it makes wonderful burnt ends. So this is where burnt ends should come from. All I do is just take off this section towards the end here, like that, and it's lovely and fatty. You can see there, look at that, that's what you want for your burnt ends. You want them to be real little nuggets of joy, and then you just cube up into chunks. You're looking for chunks about that sort of size, just big enough to pop in your mouth, like that. Burnt ends have had about an hour in the smoker again and they're ready now, so I'm going to have a taste and see how I've gotten on. Beautiful, soft, squishy burnt end. Look at that, it just falls apart and then you pop it in your mouth. Oh boy, that's delicious. You've got the lovely bark, nice and fatty. You've got all the flavour from the brisket and the rub and the smoke, and it all works together, and then you've sweetened it up with that wonderful maple syrup, butter and sugar mix. Sensational. If you haven't tried a good burnt end and you don't know what you're missing, make sure you do. They're wonderful. Remember, if you like my videos, that subscribe button, let me know if you like what I'm doing. Cheers.